Hi all, today we're at the Bundaberg Recreational Precinct for the annual car show and machinery, bikes and other bits and pieces. It's looks like a great turnout, so let's have a look around. bottom to something like that.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Yes, and we do need the escort vehicle here now. So, John, if you're
life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.
Yes, the macadamias. The people here looking for the macadamias. Oh, yeah, that could happen. So there's some here that can be purchased at the counter where the raffles are, or there's some down at the big counter. So you can always buy raffles.
More people living. Let us stop there once. That looks like a fair bit of work.
To get that happen.
Did we see it? That's great. Party there. So now I'm before guys, the previous video. And we'll fix the second figure. Look at the prices. Very nice. Chevy. Good video. Very straight.
Power. Once they went to the little petrol engines, and there's quite a number of those over there in the other corner of the grounds. I'll just need to talk to someone. very, very complicated, complex, because you know, they wanted to have a car that you could just jump in and drive, and they did achieve it. Steam is a wonderful form of power. It's very quiet. It's very powerful. You know, hence the great steam trains and steam shovels and steam cranes that once dotted our countryside. Everyone remembers the wool sheds in Australia that were powered by steam. The Autobahn staff want to know what it is you're trying to achieve, what kind of car you've got, what do you plan to do, you know, what work do you plan to do on it, and do you need a hand. So if you can come in and have a talk to them, the boys and girls at Autobahn Bundaberg will be able to help you. So there's quite a large crowd gathering around this Thompson steam car now. It'll be very interesting to see. Crowd. But in the meantime, Ronnie Sorensen's got an equally as old Cyclonette car. Cyclonette, we call it a cycle car, because in those days, commonly these bicycles were very advanced.
Two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake and so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Never shut from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. Coming soon, there'll be videos showing vintage cars, bikes, plus machinery of all sorts from this show. Please like, share and subscribe to keep up all my content. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.